Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Digital Amit. Today I am going to show you something really cool. It is a free video creation tool and trust me, once you see what it can do, you are going to love it. By the end of this video, you will exactly know how to use it step by step. Whether you work in a company or you are a freelancer, this tool is for you. Okay, first let me show you something. I made this using Google Vids. No fancy software, no big team, just me and this tool. And this is the power of Google Vids. It can help you to create professional looking videos quick and easily. I have created this ad with the help of Google Vids, and you can also see this is looking very professional, neat and clean. To learn this type of video creation, we will go with 3 steps. First, we will go to ChatGPT to generate the script. Second, we will go to Gemini to convert the script into images, and third one is Google Vids. After generate the images, we will go to Google Vids and convert the images into video. You can log in into the Google Vids with any of your Gmail ID. You can see there are a lot of options. You can create video, create slides, you can record also your screen and video. You can also use your Google Drive data like photos in Google Vids. You can also use template option, like you can use pre-built template or you can create your own template. This is the framework of Google Vids. In right side there are all the options available where you can create voiceover, image, audio, voice, so many things. Let's go to ChatGPT. I have already created the script with the help of ChatGPT. Now copy the script one by one and paste at Google Gemini to generate the images. If you don't get the good image, then you can also regenerate the image with the help of ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Or if you want to edit something in image, then also write here, then you can also change in your image. Save all the images one by one in any folder. Now go to Google Vids. Choose the first option, animate an image, and in second option you can type the script and upload your image here, and you can see the image is creating in the below section. Just click on insert your video at your canvas. See. Now again go to ChatGPT, copy the script and add your image, second image, then paste your script here. Then click on generate. Again click on insert. Let's create third video. Upload your image, then copy and paste the script here. Then click on generate button. Again click on insert. By follow these steps, you can generate the rest videos also. Now after generate all the script, you have one more option there. You can add the transition between the slides. You can see there is a mark between the slides. Just click on that and you will get the transition option in the right sidebar. Add any transition according to you, whatever fits at your video. Now we have applied the transition at complete script. You can do one more thing. If you want to cut some part of any video, you can also do here. An animation option is also here. You can also add some animation at your videos. You can use this option to cut this video. Like you don't want the end part of this script. Then split it from here and delete the end of this video. After that, you can download your video. Now see the final output of this video. Now you can also create multiple videos with the help of Google Vids, and there are multiple options in the right sidebar. You can embed stock videos, stock music, stock images in your video. You can also choose any music according to your video. Thank you friends. I hope you find something new in this video and learn something new today. Please support my channel. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more informative videos about digital marketing and all. Thank you.